Alright, let's dive into the ultimate guide to chemical reactions. No complicated jargon, just the good stuff you actually need for high school. First off, what is a chemical reaction? Basically, it's when substances mix and turn into something totally new. Imagine baking a cake. Once it's baked, you can't turn it back into raw batter. That's a chemical reaction. Now let's break down the main types. There are 4 you'll hear about the most: synthesis, decomposition, single replacement, and double replacement. Synthesis is like building a Lego tower. 2 or more things come together to make one new thing. Picture hydrogen and oxygen combining to make water. Decomposition is the opposite. You start with one thing and break it apart. Think of splitting water into hydrogen and oxygen with electricity. Single replacement is like a dance. One element cuts in and takes another's place. For example, if you put a piece of zinc in copper sulfate, the zinc swaps places with the copper. Double replacement? That's like partner swapping in dance. 2 compounds switch their parts. But how can you tell a reaction is happening? Here's what I look for: color change, bubbles, temperature change, or a solid forming from liquids. If you see any of these, you've got yourself a chemical reaction. Now let's talk about equations. Every reaction can be written as a chemical equation. For example, methane burning in oxygen looks like this. CH4 plus O2 gives you CO2 and H2O. But hold up, you've got to balance it. That means the number of atoms on each side has to match, like making sure both sides of the scale are even. Balancing might sound tricky, but here's a hack. Start with the most complicated molecule and work your way to the simpler ones. Keep tweaking until everything matches up. Finally, why do reactions happen? It's all about atoms wanting to be stable. When they react, they're just trying to reach that happy place, full outer shells of electrons. So next time you mix vinegar and baking soda or watch your bike rust, remember, you're witnessing chemical reactions in action. Master these basics, and you'll ace your next science test, or maybe even invent something cool in your kitchen. That's your complete guide to chemical reactions. Keep experimenting, stay curious, and most importantly, stay safe.